Good evening. Today is a Tuesday and it's 9 p.m., which means it is the time you and I have powerful, empowering conversations about the best practices, conversations about wellness, health, and beauty. So, welcome to the Insta Live with me, Dr. Shweta Iyengar. Those of you who do not know me yet, I am the founder of Aesthetic Clinic Skin Sense. I am a doctor by qualification and an entrepreneur at heart, and I am on a mission to make the world more beautiful by empowering you to make healthy choices. And these healthy choices are going to be fun and easy, and these fun and easy choices will make you awesome inside out. So, today we are talking about the right way to approach beauty, which is to make yourself healthy at a cellular level. And when you are healthy at a cellular level, this health at an internal level radiates on the outside, and you can look glowing every day, radiant every day, young forever. You can have amazing skin, hair, and body shape. And who wouldn't want that? Because we all are aware of the power of our personalities today, where it is the area, it is the generation, or it is the era where we are using social media so rampantly. Even if you are an entrepreneur or you're in any kind of profession, you definitely do have a face value. Literally, you are talking to people, communicating to people, showing up on calls, and people are making an impression of you within seconds of meeting you, within seconds of having a look at you. So it is important to always present yourself as being the best version of yourself. Yes, we are not talking about perfection. At Skin Sense, we do not talk about perfection, we talk about excellence. And excellence is being proactive, being ambitious, and choosing to be the best version of yourself every day, in every season, at any age. So we will jump into the topic of today, and the topic of today is very, very important. The topic of today is going to make you healthier. Just this 30 minutes of investment of you and me, this 30 minutes of communication between you and me is going to make you healthier at a cellular level. It is going to make your skin healthier for life, because these 5 things I'm going to tell you, you could use all 5 of them if applicable, or you could use just one of them, and even using one of them is applicable. And definitely, I'm sure that all of you will learn a lot today. And even if you can apply just one of the things I tell you, I am very sure and I promise you that you will see a healthier, more radiant version of yourself for life. And can I tell you what is the best part of today's conversation? The best part of today's conversation is everything I'm sharing with you is not going to cost you money at all. You will be able to do everything that I am telling you in today's communication is absolutely for free, without investing a single rupee. Now, how incredible is that? And how is this going to happen? This is going to happen because what I am telling you today is about what you need to stop doing. So many times we pay too much attention to what we need to start doing, what is important for us to start doing, but you definitely know that it is important to stop doing certain things, because we may be doing certain things wrong, and it is these certain things that we are doing wrong are robbing us of the results that we desire and deserve. So let us understand what are the things we might be doing wrong, knowingly or unknowingly. I'm saying knowingly because sometimes we do know certain things, but we just take it for granted and we say it doesn't matter. But today I want to gently remind you that these things you're doing wrong may be robbing your skin of its health, may be robbing its skin of its moisture, may be robbing your skin of its glow. So Glover Shah, thank you so much for being you. A big hello to you. So introducing the topic of today once again, as all of you have joined in, and jumping into the topic quickly. The topic is what things you may be doing on a day-to-day basis that is robbing your skin of moisture, that is making your skin dry. So in today's lifestyle where we are spending hours in front of the computer, today's lifestyle where we're sitting in rooms where there is always AC on, so it's a very unnatural environment that we spend time in. And is this unnatural environment healthy for the skin? if you are spending long hours in the unnatural environment, what is the right care for the skin that you should be taking? That is exactly what you and I will be discussing here. So you may watch this video live on Instagram if you are with me right now. Later on, I will be uploading this video on YouTube because it is powerful content, and I want this content to help a lot of people because this learning is free, this learning is action oriented, and this learning could definitely help somebody take take out many steps in their taking care of their skin regime, because sometimes stopping that one thing which is harming you will save you of many steps you need to do to treat something that you're doing wrongly. I'm sure you agree with me. So wherever you're watching this, I have a very good news for you, that I want you to take notes, because all my lives are going to be from knowledge oriented. They are not motivational, they are conversations, but yet they are conversations which happen in a very professional and structured way. And in this conversation, I will be teaching you certain things which I want you to use. So please be ready to take notes. Please note down these things, whatever resonates with you, whatever you think is going to add value to you. You can note it on your laptop, on your computer, or you can note it just on your mobile phone or on a piece of paper, however it works for you, and take a screenshot or take a photograph of that note and share it to me on Messenger, telling me that this is what I learned out of your conversation. So the good news I have for you is you can send me your learnings from this 30-minute Insta live, and I will pick up a winner by a lucky draw. And every Insta live, Skin Sense, my aesthetic clinic, will be sharing gifts worth 10,000 rupees. In fact, 9,999 rupee worth gifts will be shared with one winner for every Insta live. So after the Insta live is shared, I will wait for 7 days, and in 7 days people can send me their learnings from this Insta live. They can just write it on a piece of paper, even 2 or 3 learnings, because we believe less is more, but something you're going to implement. I want you to make a note of it, write your name and your phone number and share it with me. You can share it with me in the Insta Messenger, Facebook Messenger, or else you can go to www.skinsense.co.in, look for my mail ID and send it to me, and one of you will win a prize worth 9,999. So this happens on all my Insta lives, and my Insta lives happen on every Tuesday and every Thursday, 9 to 9:30, and the topics are around wellness, health, beauty, enhanced immunity. We talk about how you can have amazing skin, hair and body shape at any age. So the topic of today is dryness of skin. You and me are getting winter ready together. This winter we are not going to have dull skin. This winter we are not going to have less radiance. We are going to glow every day of the winter. So let us understand what makes the skin dry. So of course we do understand that lack of moisture makes the skin dry. So what are you doing on a day-to-day basis that is contributing to increasing the dryness of the skin? So one of the things that you might be doing is overwashing your face. I do not want you to wash your face more than 2 times a day. If you feel that you need to wash your face more than 2 times a day, then you can use plain water. But if you're using a face wash to wash your face, you will not wash your face more than 2 times a day, because overwashing of the face robs it of its moisture. Today we realize it in the corona times, because we are overwashing our hands and we often feel that our hands are feeling dry. In fact, I have a lot of clients reach out to me sending me pictures of their hands where they've started seeing eczema-like eruptions or roughness on the hands. This is because of excessive dryness. So the strategy number one, or the learning number one, is wash your face only twice a day. For those of you who feel you have oily skin and you are comfortable washing more than twice a day, you will need to change your cleanser, you will need to change your face wash, but applying it more than twice a day is not a good idea. The second thing you got to learn is you should not be using very hot water to wash your face, because hot water again robs you of the moisture. The ideal temperature water is tap water or room temperature water. In fact, using reasonably cold water is also helpful to you, but then if it doesn't suit you, you can go for a lukewarm water, but avoid very hot water to wash your face. Not just washing your face, we will also talk about taking bath, because when we are talking about dryness, we are not talking about dryness just on the face. The dryness could be on the entire body. In fact, dryness on the entire body causes darkness of the body. Many people, because of dryness, start seeing darkness in the underarm area, back area. They start seeing itching and other kind of problems because of dryness. So even do not allow your body to get dry. At this point, I would also want to tell you, do not allow your neck to get dry, because if you're not caring for your neck, I see a lot of people in their 40s take care of their face, have good looking faces, but have a lot of lines on their neck, visible aging around the neck, because they are not moisturizing their neck enough. So make sure that this tap water is not just used for the face. Don't use tap water on the face and hot water for the neck. Please use lukewarm or cold water for both the face and the neck. And also I would want to tell you that do not take very long baths in the winter. Do not spend too many hours taking a bath, because spending too much time in hot water, long baths, are again going to dehydrate you. So one thing that you must stop doing is taking long baths, using very hot water, and using very harsh cleansers or overusing cleansers. Now another thing which may surprise you is not applying a sunscreen. So do we connect sunscreen only to tanning? We connect sunscreen only to getting dark, and when it is winters, we believe that we need not apply a sunscreen. But I have said so many times that sunscreen needs to be applied all 365 days a year, because ultraviolet rays are affecting us irrespective of the season. It is not the heat that is damaging your skin, it is the ultraviolet rays that are damaging your skin. And Sumit, you may also know this, that ultraviolet rays are not just the rays that come from the sun. Ultraviolet rays are from many other sources, like even your laptop has a lot of ultraviolet rays. So spending long hours in front of a laptop can also cause you similar kind of damage, because it has UV and IR rays, that is ultraviolet and infrared rays, and these ultraviolet and infrared rays can also cause the skin to dry up. So sun not just causes the skin to go dark, sun also causes the skin to dry up. So if you're not wearing a sunscreen in the winter thinking it is winter and now I can skip the sunscreen, please do not do it, because not using sunscreen and exposing yourself to any kind of ultraviolet ray can also cause dryness of the skin. And as we talk ultraviolet rays, I just told you, so I would want you to make note of this, reasonably important, because now in the new culture, not just because of the COVID, even otherwise, we're not spending long hours in the sun, but we are spending long hours in front of our technology. We are spending long hours in front of our laptops and computers, and that also has an ultraviolet rays, that also has infrared rays, and you need to wear a sunscreen even when you're in front of your computer. So thank you for taking down these 2 points. Were they helpful so far? So I would want your feedback to understand that you and me are aligned, because my intention is to keep this very simple, because the more simple it is, the more you're going to put it into practice, the more you're going to act on it, and the more you act on it, the greater the chances of you getting results from it. Now we come to the third reason your skin gets dry. The third reason your skin gets dry is many times we use products on the skin that contain alcohol, and we know that alcohol is very drying. So now, because we are going through the COVID crisis, we have experience with using sanitizers which are alcohol, and now we know that repeatedly when we use sanitizers, we know how our hands feel. Sometimes when the sanitizers touch the softer parts of our body, we know how dry it feels. So alcohol is extremely drying. It is in fact dehydrating to the skin. It sucks out the water from your skin. But then there are products which contain alcohol. So people who have open pores, people who have oily skin, sometimes go for the quick fix. When it comes to skincare, quick fixes never work. In fact, when it comes to any kind of relationship, when it comes to any kind of success, quick fixes never work. Instant gratification is nice, but you should be very, very careful about the areas where you choose your instant gratification. In areas of good health, in areas of good immunity, in areas of beauty and wellness, I would strongly recommend that slow and steady wins the race. It is an investment, it is a commitment which can give you incredible results, and believe me, it's not as difficult as you think it is. In fact, it's very, very simple once you align to it and once you do the right things. So when you associate with Skin Sense, we will at best give you 4 steps that you need to follow. So it will be 4 steps according to you, your aspiration, your age, your lifestyle, the budget that you want to spend on your skincare or hair care, and it will be easy to fit in your lifestyle, and these 4 steps can be your game changers. So we will talk about this when we connect one to one. Going back to the topic of the day, what else are we doing that makes the skin dry? So I said using alcohol based products. So even alcohol based deodorants that we may be using may cause a lot of darkening. So if your deodorant contains a lot of alcohol, you may see that slowly and steadily your underarms start getting darker and darker. So look into all your products. One, does it feel dry? If it feels dry, look into the label, or you can take a picture of the label and share it with your doctor. You can even share it with me on a messenger and find out if your product has alcohol. Any product that has alcohol should not be used either on the skin or the scalp, because it may give you temporary benefits, but it will give you long-term dryness. So this is the third thing that we may be doing wrong, and just stopping these wrong things will also start giving you results. Sometimes you don't have to do anything to get results. You may just have to stop doing certain things, and even stopping doing certain things may give you those results, and these are those things you stop. Sometimes you may do a lot of things and still not get results, because the things that we do not stop are robbing the results. Sometimes you can't have a leaky bucket, you can't have a bucket with a hole in it, and you keep pouring the best of the milk into it. If the bucket has a hole at the bottom, no wonder what quality milk you pour and at what speed you pour, you will never get the right benefits. So something similar like that. So whenever it comes to skin care, whenever it comes to hair care, whenever it comes to a healthy diet, a very important question you need to ask is, what do I need to stop doing? Because many times, unless you stop doing few things, you are not going to get the results of the really effective things you do, because it's like a leaky bucket that you're dealing with, and a lot of things are getting lost. So then we come to number 4, and number 4 is that we are not eating good fats. So it is absolutely essential to use good fats, and if we are not eating good fats, we are contributing to the dryness of the body. Because just drinking water, when somebody talks about my skin is dry, somebody else may give them a solution saying that you must drink a lot of water. But drinking water is just a hygiene factor. Drinking water, of course, is important, but just by drinking water, you are not going to get the glow on the skin, you are not going to get the hydration on the skin. To get that hydration, your body must hold water. It's not just enough to drink water, and your body will hold water only when it has enough hyaluronic acid in its cells, only when it has enough essential fatty acids in its cells. So if you are totally running away from good fats like nuts and seeds, like avocado, like ghee, like homemade unsalted butter, like virgin coconut oil, or any good nut and seed oil, I have made a video that says that do not use vegetable oil, you should use nuts and seed oil, because they have good oils which are good for your skin and hair. So if you want more information about these kind of things, because this is just a half an hour conversation, you can go to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Shweta Iyengar. My YouTube channel is Skin Sense, and at Skin Sense we add 4 videos every week, and all these videos are action steps that you can take to have healthier skin, hair, body shape, and a better immunity at any age. Go there, have a look. If you like it, subscribe it. In fact, if you resonate with these learnings, join me on my mission to make the world more beautiful in a fun and easy way. You can share these videos with anybody who thinks will benefit from it. In fact, if there are people in your life who are around the age of 40 years, they are definitely going to love these videos, because at the age of 40, it is necessary that people start taking care of the moisture levels of their skin, because in the absence of moisture, the skin ages faster, and we all know the aging signs like pigmentation, open pores, fine lines and wrinkles. Once they start getting these problems, they are more difficult to reverse. Of course, in every video of mine, I do say that prevention is better than cure. We need gentle reminders of this because life has got very busy, and many times we are not proactive, we are reactive, and we just need gentle reminders that say that you need to be proactive because the stitch in time saves nine. So one more thing that you need to do to make sure that your skin stays hydrated, or something you're doing wrong. So we're talking about what we need to stop doing. So we need to stop spending too much time in the AC, because AC is an environment. Just being in the AC for long hours is going to dehydrate your skin, is going to rob your skin of its moisture. And most of us, especially I live in Mumbai, so people who live in Mumbai know how humid Mumbai is. It is only getting hotter by the day. I think out of the 12 months of the year, 10 months are really hot in places like Mumbai and so many other places that I know of. So then people have to spend long time in the AC, but this spending time in the AC is robbing your skin of the moisture. You need to be aware of it. So try to sit in a place where you're not, the AC blast is not on you. Try to control the AC temperature. Try to make the room as cool as possible, but not spend too much time under the AC. And if you still have to spend too much time under the AC, then be aware that spending time in this unnatural environment is one of the things that is robbing you of its moisture, that is making your skin dry. Again, reminding you certain things I like to repeat because there is so much to talk about, but sometimes the so much is not so important. The few things are very, very important, and those few things need to be absolutely become a part of your being. You need to realize it, that you cannot wait till your skin feels dry to start looking for that moisturizer. You need to start hydrating your skin much before it feels dry, because if your skin starts feeling dry, it means it's already irritated. It means some kind of damage has already been done, and you will start seeing signs of aging if you're casual about letting your skin get dry and treat it after that. At this, I would love to tell you that, so we have finished 20 minutes and we have 10 minutes to go. This whole series is about being winter ready. This whole series is about moisturizing for your skin. So quickly, I will sum up the 5 things that we spoke about, and then if you have any questions, you can write to me. We are going to continue this conversation, and we are going to talk about skin, hair, body shape, immunity in the winter. Winters are fast approaching, and we are proactive, ambitious individuals. So we do not start preparing for the winter after the winter has approached. We know that this is the right time to start preparing for the winter. So winter woes are, one of them is a dry skin. One of them is people who have eczema, psoriasis are going to face an aggravation of eczema and psoriasis. So I'm going to tell you how you can deal with eczema and psoriasis aggravation in the winters in one of my lives. If you haven't subscribed to my Instagram, it is I Love Skin Sense, hashtag I Love Skin Sense. Subscribe to it. Every Tuesday and Thursday I come live just for you, and I bring a very, very interesting topic, and I make sure that each one of you gets some action steps. There is something for everyone. So a lot of doctors also join my channel, join my Insta live. A lot of other experts also join my Insta live, and even if you are of any age, you will definitely find value in my Insta live. I just want your feedback, so that this feedback will help you make my conversations more and more aligned to you, so that there is so much information I have, but what is the benefit of the feedback is, with a feedback I will be able to align my conversations to your needs, desires, problems, and you will actually be able to use them and get results out of them. Everything I share in my conversation is result oriented, because I have 11 years of experience in treating men and women of all ages get amazing skin, hair and body shape, improve on their overall wellness, be awesome inside out, improve on your immunity. And what I am doing in my life is sharing the best practices, I have learned from my textbooks, the best practices that I have learned from seminars I have attended all over the world, and the best practices that I have realized after working with thousands of men and women, and after getting a feedback from them, knowing that what delighted them, what was fun and easy for them, and what really got them results. I am aware of all the problems people of different ages have when it comes to they are taking care of their skin and hair, not just the medical textbook challenges, also the constraints of the budget, the constraints of time. They do not want things to be messy. Some people travel a lot. It is not possible to them to eat certain kinds of food. Some of us are vegetarians, so then sometimes I have to structure the textbook conversation into vegetarian options. So I'm absolutely aligned to you, my client, who I am in love with all the time, and my conversations are aligned to making you aware of what you can do and what you must stop doing, so that in a very simple way you can have healthier skin, healthier hair, healthier body shape, and a healthier immunity. So thank you, Darshana, for asking me the question, what is the one important thing in moisturizer means ingredients formula. So I will talk about my favorite ingredient in a moisturizer. So my favorite ingredient in a moisturizer is hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is the favorite ingredient of doctors, of celebrities, of many people, because hyaluronic acid is a molecule which can hold water. So when we use water, when we use moisturizing for the skin, the product may give your skin water, but just giving your skin water is going to give you temporary results. But if we do something in a way that the skin can start holding water, you will see that the effect of the moisturization stays longer. So there are some moisturizers which claim to keep your skin hydrated for as long as 24 hours. Of course, as we just finished our conversation about being in the AC and other things, so if you're spending time in the unnatural environment, even the best moisturizer may not work for 24 hours. But then some moisturizers really keep you hydrated for a long period of time, and these moisturizers generally contain hyaluronic acid. So if you ask me personally, what do I use to take care of the moisture levels of the skin, I use hyaluronic acid in serum form. So we will be talking next week, which is the day after tomorrow, Thursday, about the difference between creams, serums and oils. So thank you for asking this question and bringing this up, Darshana, so that I can introduce the next topic too. We sometimes feel that oil is a good moisturizer. So oil does not provide moisture, but it provides an occlusion. So occlusion is also something that is needed, but then hyaluronic acid is something that I like it. So then Hemal has a question that says that I have Hyalugel. Hyalugel is a very basic product that can be used. Yes, it is a good product, but it contains a very small percentage of hyaluronic acid. So what I use is something that contains a much larger percentage of hyaluronic acid, and I will be sharing that with you, Hemal. So it says that I have heard that if you put it externally, your body will stop producing it. So that is not correct at all. So if you start using something externally, why will your body stop producing it? In fact, our body, as we age, and you would be shocked to know, or you might have heard it before, that our body starts aging from the age of 25. So from the age of 25, our skin starts getting dry slowly and steadily. And if we are not taking that extra care from outside, we are not going to be able to keep our skin hydrated in our 40s. People are seeing fine lines and wrinkles from a young age, as little as 35 and 40. We see people with lines on their forehead at the age of 35. And one of the main reasons, of course, collagen elastin breakdown is one of the reasons. The other reason is not having enough amount of moisture. So I'm happy that you're using Hyalugel. It's one of the basic hyaluronic acids, very cost effective too. There are many kind of hyaluronic acid available in the market. So it also depends, the effectivity of a product will also depend on the molecular size. So there is something called as low molecular weight hyaluronic acid. The smaller the size of a particle, the better the penetration of the molecule. The better the penetration of the molecule, the higher the results. Like we see the kind of results we get by applying maybe a till oil on the hair, and the kind of results we will get by applying an argan oil on the hair or some kind of essential oil on the hair. We see a difference Today we are going out and buying argan oil to apply on the hair to make it softer. So the viscosity of the oil, the viscosity of the argan oil is different. The particle size of the argan oil is different. Similarly, if I had to say something very simple, I would say hyaluronic acid. And then when we want to go to next level and understand that there are hyaluronic acids available for as little as 250 rupees a tube, and there are hyaluronic acids available for as much as 15,000 rupees for a 1 month course. So what is the difference between the two? The difference between the two is the different kinds of hyaluronic acid, the different size of the molecules of hyaluronic acid that are present, because the more you are able to penetrate the molecule into the skin, the better results you're going to get in the plumping of the skin and the moisturizer of the skin. If the product is of a big molecular weight size, it's just going to coat the skin and form a layer on top of the skin. It's going to stay put on the top of the skin, and that might help you to some extent temporarily, but not the way a product that can penetrate into the skin will help you. So I hope this was useful. For those of you who missed the beginning, please go back and watch it. I am giving away prizes worth 9,999 rupees from SkinSense for you in this live. All you have to do is take down some notes, take down 3 to 5 learnings that you found really useful in this communication, and share it in the comments. You can even share it to me in the messenger, and one lucky winner in 10 days I will collect all the people who have given me this feedback, and through a lucky draw, one lucky winner will win a prize worth 9,999 rupees from SkinSense, and you are going to love the prize. Even if you do not live in Mumbai, you need not worry, your prize will reach you wherever you are. So thank you for watching, and this whole series is about being winter ready, important for everybody. In fact, even important for people with oily skin. Even people with oily skin need a moisturizer because they have enough sebum in their skin, but they may not have enough moisturizer. So please let people in your life with oily skin know that they should go through my YouTube channel if they have the time. They should watch my lives and understand that oily skin doesn't mean hydrated skin. In fact, applying moisturizer on your skin could help many people reduce your pimples, because a good moisturizer reduces the irritation, inflammation of your skin and makes it behave well. No, it is not only limited to India. Anybody can participate in this, because the prizes will be sent to wherever you are, and it doesn't have to do with anywhere in India or the world. So please ask me questions, please participate. The only problem is that if you want a lot of answers from me, then you will have to get on a phone call with me, because many of you from all over the world have been writing long mails to me. But I'm sure you understand that I get around 50 mails every day, and it becomes very difficult to explain, because I don't want to give a match the following kind of answer to you. I want to give an explanation to you, and this explanation will be possible only over a phone call. So somehow we will have to align timings and make time to talk on a phone, because that is how I will be able to give you maximum effectivity. But these prizes are for everybody all over the world. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being excited about it and asking me this question. I'm really happy to connect with you, and I'm really happy to people like Ginny, to people like Hemal, and to people like Darshana, who regularly show up on my Insta lives, because by regularly making time to show up, you are telling me that I am adding value, and you know that that's the most important thing to begin with, adding value, because my mission is to inspire, to educate, and to empower you with the right action steps so that you can be awesome inside out. I am looking forward to meet you. I am looking forward to talk to you now on Thursday, where we are going to talk about what is a serum, what is a moisturizing lotion or a cream, and what is an oil, and how to use which one for maximum efficacy. Leaving you with this whole conversation, please go through and stop doing what you're doing wrong. You can also write in the comments that out of the 5 things that I said that you may be doing wrong, what did it occur to you that yes, this is something I'm doing wrong and I must stop doing. So before you do anything else, and before we talk about other things, I would want you to find out, make the most out of this conversation, and write down what is it that you're going to stop doing as a result of spending this half an hour with me and learning something valuable. Thank you so much. Have an incredible evening and good night to you. Anti-blemish cream plus moisturizer for acne skin. So I will answer this. Please send me on the personal messenger so that these a lot of questions will be taken online. But yes, Angel, I will surely answer your question. Please send it to me on personal messenger. So my time ends at 9:30, so I'm very particular about time, and by being particular about time, I'm also sending a message that skincare, hair care should begin at the right time and should be consistent and persistent with skincare and hair care. That is how you get magical results. So thank you once again. You can share this if you found value in this.